Not more. Like I said, it had many years to grow with me. Life is exciting, right? But it is. You took that other guy's loot, and I waited till today, or the other day. I think it was yesterday, yeah. That was. Foxes are here in the East Coast are big compared to BC. BC coyotes are about the size of our foxes. They crossbreed with our. They stay good and hard for long. Once they freeze, they're good. This is the spot where we were. Reserve.